Hey guys, I'm here in Corneille Estates and I want to give you a sneak peek at my newest exclusive listing. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath that's undergoing a complete renovation and should be ready to go by the time the summer comes around in just a few short months. All right, so we're here in the downstairs entry foyer. The first floor of this house features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, and all of them are being completely redone. All right, we're here on the second floor in the great room. Even though the house is still under construction and there's no artificial light, you can see how light and bright it is here. This space has your living room over here on the right, double sliders out to a big second floor deck, which gets tremendous sun. And then over here we have the kitchen, which is going to feature Wolf and Viking high-end appliances. And through this doorway over here, we have your primary suite, which is being completely renovated and will have its own private ensuite bath. Thank you very much for coming on the tour today. The house is coming on the market later this week, so contact me for a private showing if you want to schedule that for this coming week or this coming weekend. And lastly, I want to leave you with one more feature, which is probably the best thing about this house and really any other house on Fire Island, which is how close they are to the beach. So I'm going to take you there now.